Hello and welcome to another Premiere Pro video. In this video I want to look at the ultrakey. This is used for green screen. I'm going to show you a slightly different application and I'm going to go through the whole process. So I'm actually here in 3D viewer and I have this diamond block, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose a good way to export it. So I want to just grab a screen grab of this. So you can see this particular theme is actually quite a good one, and you can see the lighting and the environment settings there. Alright, so then I'm going to just press Shift here, Control K, I'm going to remove this section, and backslash. What we can actually do first of all is we can just change the opacity just so we can see where we want to position it. So if I just change the opacity here, you can see I can get it just so I can see, at least have some clue about where I might want to put it. And we're going to have it right on the fire there. So we've got it in the right place. Now we're going to want to actually mask it. So we're going to put our mask in. Right, so there's the mask done. Now you want to move on to, like I say, the ultrakey, which is how you actually get things to work. So because I've set the mask pretty well, it should be able to work pretty well. So you can click here. It does look like some of the shading. One of the issues though, I think, is that because I had shading on the original clip, that's why the bottom half of the mask is still maintaining it. So we may need to do a little bit of cleanup here. Let's see if we can do something with this. So yeah, we do need to make it a little bit darker. That kind of actually gives kind of a cool effect there. So yeah, there's lots of different ways that you can obviously like mess around with it, but that is one way to do it. I could make it even darker here. And what I might want to do actually is go back to the mask and see what happens if we do some feathering on the mask. It might be interesting at this point, right? Well, interestingly, you can actually change it in the full screen mode like this, which is kind of handy. But yeah, I mean, so there's lots of different ways that you could like potentially do stuff with this, but that will do for now. So thanks for watching.